FlowSense opens with a clear promise: industry-specific ERP built for manufacturing excellence. From this public site, paper manufacturers can explore the platform, understand the AI-powered approach, and quickly move toward booking a demo when they are ready. After entering Paper ERP, the user lands on a role-based command center. Each team member can choose the workspace that fits their responsibility, from management and administrators to sales officers, distributors, production managers, warehouse operators, and dispatch supervisors. The executive dashboard brings the entire business into one view. Leadership can monitor sales, pending orders, production, inventory, dispatch, outstanding payments, and stock alerts, while charts highlight low stock and fast-moving items that need attention. The Customer Master keeps every buyer, dealer, distributor, and school account organized in one searchable table. Teams can filter by type or category, export records, upload in bulk, and add new customers without losing track of GST details, outstanding balances, or last order dates. The Sales Officer dashboard focuses each representative on their monthly targets and customer follow-ups. Managers can review achieved sales, incentive eligibility, visit plans, and open DSR activity, so field performance stays transparent and measurable. Distributors get their own portal designed for fast self-service. From here, they can place orders, browse the product catalog, post requirements, track shipments, and review sales, pending orders, dispatches, outstanding amounts, and target progress. The orders inbox consolidates demand from manual entries, distributors, marketplaces, and email into one operational queue. Users can search, filter, export, and create new orders while tracking priority, production status, dispatch status, expected dates, and order totals. Dealer requirements are captured separately, so informal demand is not lost before it becomes a confirmed order. The team can review quantities, required dates, owners, and status, then convert qualified requirements into orders with a single action. The Production Control Center turns order demand into an actionable manufacturing plan. It shows pending quantity, stock on hand, today's capacity, demand, and schedule fill, while the AI recommendation panel helps release the right jobs to the floor based on urgency and availability. The planning sheet gives planners a unified view of manual, distributor, marketplace, and email demand. It compares total demand with pending production, ready for dispatch stock, and secretarial inputs, then visualizes production and dispatch gaps, so decisions are based on capacity, not guesswork. Finished goods inventory is tracked by date, family, opening stock, production, dispatch, and closing balance. Teams can search specific items and see how stock changes over time, which helps prevent both shortages and excess inventory. Sticker management connects production, packaging, with warehouse identification. The system tracks slips, open work orders, average cover time, and batch traceability, while each SKU shows MRP, on-hand quantity, ordered quantity, coverage, warehouse, batch, and adjustment options. The dispatch console uses a Kanban layout to move orders from pending to ready, loading, and dispatched. Dispatch teams can filter work, create new dispatches, assign vehicles, generate invoices and e-way bills, and keep every shipment status visible at a glance. The report center centralizes recurring operational and management reports across sales, production, efficiency, and finance. Users can export reports, schedule daily or weekly delivery, and subscribe to the insights they need without manually chasing data across departments. The demo page makes it easy to take the next step with FlowSense. A prospect can request a tailored walkthrough, share contact and company details, and see exactly how Paper ERP can streamline manufacturing operations. Book your demo and see FlowSense in action.